Are you always tired, snore loudly, and wake up unrefreshed? It might not just be poor sleep, it could be sleep apnea. Up to 1 in 5 men over the age of 40 have it, and most don't even know. Your airway collapses during sleep, lowering oxygen levels and raising risks of heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. Evidence shows weight loss, avoiding alcohol before bed, and CPAP therapy make a huge difference. Tag someone who says they're just tired. I'm Dr. Hasham, the medicine man. If you want science-backed answers, I've got you. Thank you.